Hello students. Today we discuss the fifth chapter of history, the Vedic Age. In this chapter we discuss about the origin and advent of the Aryans. The Vedas and the Aryans, social and political organization, and case study differences between the Inamgaon and Megaliths. Imamgaon is a village, post Harappan village, and Megaliths is a stone, single or group of a stone in Aryans, in the period of Aryans. Okay, we start from with the arrival of Aryans during 1500 BC to 600 BC, and India took a step forward for a pastoral nomadic life to a settled life. And the sources of information about the Aryans, the Aryans, the Vedic is divided into two periods of 1500 to 1000 BC, that is called early Vedic period or the Rig Vedic period, and 1000 to 600 BC is termed later Vedic period. This is also called Vedic age because our Vedas, four Vedas, Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Ajur Veda, and Yathur Veda, these all Vedas are written in this period, in Vedas period, Vedas age. So that this region, Aryans region, is also called the Vedas, early Vedas period. Rig Veda is the earliest Veda, and it includes more than 1000 hymns in praise of the various gods, and it is written in Old Vedic Sanskrit. Now in present time we also study Sanskrit, but these languages differ from that language that in written in Vedas. The early Vedas is come in nomadic people who lived in Central Asia. They were mainly cattle rearing who were always on move. A group of these people entered India around 1500 BC and first settled down around the region of Punjab. And life of the people, the village was called Gram. They live in extended joint families or kula, and the oldest person of the family is called Grihpati. Okay, and women has also a special role in the society of Aryans. They could offer religious offering and sacrifice along with their husbands, and no any religious ceremony was completed without the participation of women of the family. This so that women had a special position. Many hymns and of Rig Veda have been composed by written by women, indicate that some of them received good education. And Indra was the most worshipped god in the Rig Vedic period, and later Vedic period Rudras, that's become Shiva. Administration, the administrations politically, Aryans was divided into tribes, also called Janas, and each tribe was headed by a king. This is not a hereditary position. Rajan was selected by the members of the tribe. The king was the protector of his tribes. He protected his cattle, fought war, and offered play to God on behalf of the tribals. And Senapati is in charge of military, and Purhiti was the responsibility to manage religious duties. And Sabha and Samiti. Sabha consists of all the people of the village, but Samiti consists of all the people of the village, but Sabha was the assembly of the selected people, perhaps the council of the elders. And regular taxation also seen in Aryan's period. The king did not maintain any regular or standing army, but as kingdom become more powerful economically, gradually regular standing armies were set up. And material life, the Rig Vedas mention a variety of occupations such as carpentry, chariot making, rath banane ka kam, weaving, pottery, leather work also, and also they know in the use of copper. And Aryans also produce different type of pottery like black, red, grey, where most distinctive pottery produced by the Aryans was the painted grey wave. Ball and dishes made by this metal was being found in a large number. In last of Vedic, the end of the Vedic period, metal iron was also discovered by Aryans, and excavations show that the iron weapons such as the arrowhead, spearhead, and iron axe were in use. And with the discovery of iron, metalworking became in important position. And in next video we discuss about social division. In Aryan in Vedic age. Okay, thank you very much.